To analyze the sales data of an ice cream parlor to understand customer preferences, seasonal variations in sales, and the effectiveness of different flavors and pricing strategies. Dataset: create or obtain a dataset that includes sales data for an ice cream parlor. This dataset might include columns such as date, flavor, quantity sold, sales amount, and additional variables like weather or day of the week. Approach: to effectively carry out an exploratory data analysis project on the sales data of an ice cream parlor, here is a structured approach you can follow. Step 1. Data collection. Dataset requirements. As specified, the dataset should include the following columns: date, to analyze sales trends over time; flavor, to determine the popularity and performance of different flavors; quantity sold, to assess the volume of sales per flavor; sales amount, to evaluate the revenue generated by each flavor; weather, to investigate how weather influences ice cream sales; day of the week, to analyze day-wise sales trends and customer traffic. Step 2. Data cleaning and preparation. Handling missing data. Identify any missing values in the dataset and decide on strategies such as imputation or removal based on their impact. Outlier detection. Use statistical methods to find and address outliers that could skew the analysis. Data type verification. Ensure that all data columns are in the appropriate format, example, dates in daytime format, sales figures as floats. Data transformation. If necessary, transform data, example, converting sales figures from different currencies to a single standard if applicable. Step 3. Univariate analysis. Flavor analysis. Generate frequency distributions and bar charts for different flavors to identify the most and least popular choices. Sales and quantity analysis. Use histograms and box plots to visualize the distribution of sales amounts and quantities sold. Temporal trends. Analyze sales trends across different times, daily, weekly, monthly, to identify patterns. Step 4. Bivariate and multivariate analysis. Seasonal and weather impact. Cross-reference sales data with weather data to assess patterns, using scatter plots and correlation matrices. Also, evaluate how seasonality affects sales. Pricing strategy analysis. If pricing data is available, analyze how different pricing strategies affect sales volumes and preferences using scatter plots and regression analysis. Flavor combinations and bundles. Investigate if certain flavors sell better in combination using association rule mining or similar techniques. Step 5. Advanced analysis. Predictive modeling. Build models to forecast future sales trends based on historical data, using time series analysis or regression models. Customer segmentation. Use clustering techniques to segment customers based on purchasing patterns, which can help tailor marketing strategies. Step 6. Visualization. Interactive dashboards. Create dashboards using tools like Tableau or Power BI, or libraries like Dash for Python, to make the data interactive and easily understandable. Reporting. Develop detailed charts and graphs to illustrate findings clearly and effectively, emphasizing key insights and recommendations. Step 7. Reporting and presentation. Insights and recommendations. Compile a comprehensive report detailing key findings on flavor popularity, sales trends, the impact of weather, and effective pricing strategies. Business strategy. Provide actionable recommendations for inventory management, flavor offerings, marketing strategies, and pricing adjustments based on the analyzed data. Step 8. Feedback and iteration. Feedback collection. After presenting the findings, gather feedback from stakeholders to refine the analysis. Iterative analysis. Adjust the analysis based on feedback and additional data, continuously enhancing the insights and strategies proposed. By following this approach, The project will not only help understand the current sales dynamics but also empower the ice cream parlor to make data driven decisions to boost profitability and customer satisfaction.